Everyone, welcome back. So for script number 24, we're going to create a script that will monitor logs, multiple logs at the same time in real time. So we're going to see output of two different logs. So let's get started. We'll start with the bash first, and then we'll move on to the Python one. So you're going to specify logs variable here. So any arguments that's passed, we're going to save it as the log files that we need to monitor. If nothing is found, we're just going to use default log files here. So it'll be var log syslog and var log audit log, and then we'll verify if the log file exists. So we're going to use a for loop for log in logs do, and then we're gonna put an if statement here to check individual files. So if not a file, or the file doesn't exist, which is stored in the variable log, then we'll just echo log file does not exist. And then let's close this if statement here, and also going to close the for loop here. So that's it. And then we're going to echo, otherwise we're going to echo tailing logs. That's it. That's the script here. We're just using a tail -f, which will show us the logs in real time. So as you can see, it's creating things, well, showing log files in real time here. It says can't find the var log audit log, perhaps because the var log audit log does not exist. Let's try auth log. So I'm just going to change this audit log to auth log. Okay, so let's see here. So as you can see, it will go through both of the logs here in real time. So we're going to get started with the Python script here. So Python, we're going to import some modules. So if the parameter is not provided, we're just creating two entries here for our log files. So it'll be just basically this one and this one. And then we're going to verify if the log files exist or not. We're going to print that log file does not exist. We're also going to store the error here. But if it exists, then we're going to print trailing logs. I'm going to use a try statement here. I'm going to try to catch exception here. So we are looking for keyboard interrupt, perhaps we are exiting out. And we're also going to just say that we're exiting out. Then all other exception as E. Then we're going to print out the error. That's it. Let's try to run this. Okay, so I made a mistake here, and also here it should be as E. Okay, so the mistake is actually here, plus logs. Let's try to run this. As you can see, now it's good. Alright, thanks for joining. Have a nice day.